So your template is already picked up by merge class, mail merge class. And if you go document, get merge fields, you'll see all the fields that we created in the document, the Word document over here. Company comment, company name, position name. Then all you need to do is do the merge class, use the merge method. So document merge, and then you can assign to these variables the text you want to type in. So company comment, like I will leave it the last one. So company name goes over here, position name goes over here, and we will assign some text. So company name, let's see, Facebook. Oh, my hands are shaking. Position name, let's see, data engineer. Company comment, I'm very talented, please hire me. There we go. So after that, you need to, so when you run this cell, oh, okay. Oh yeah, of course, I forgot the commas. There we go. Yeah, and after that, document, this is the method write, the document.write, and you can choose any file name you want. Let's say Facebook cover letter docx, and run the cell, and it'll create the file over here with the fields that you filled in here. Let's see what's going on. So Facebook, May 19th, which is correct. Dear Sir, Madam, as Facebook, this is the field that it replaced. Facebook, I'm very talented, please hire me. So this dot is kind of extra here, so you need to keep an eye on them. Data engineer, so these are all replaced, all good. We can close it and just delete it. we won't need it because we'll create it again. So if you, this is the workflow for just one cover letter. And if you want to, let's say, create a bunch, like you apply for 20 positions every day, you don't have to, like, you know, do this over and over again. You just can use the CSV file to fill all these text fields, and then you'll pick it up with the pandas within Jupyter Notebook and just iterate through like, let's say, the list of dictionaries with all that text, and create all files in one go. So what we'll do is we'll open this cover letter field CSV file, and we'll copy over the variables that we need to fill in there. So let's say copy company name, position name. This is just for convenience. So I'm making these names say the same in all documents, so like I don't get confused while I'm accessing them in the code. It makes it pretty handy. So we have these 3 columns, and let's say let's try to fill in like 3 of them. Facebook, position name, data engineer, company comment. I'm very talented, please hire me. Spotify. I'm just gonna make them different so you can see like that they vary across all files. Data scientist. Let's say I love Spotify, and I'd love to work here. Okay, and the third one, let's say, what should it be? Like Twitter. Data engineer. I like data engineers. I want to work in Twitter. It's just you know, off top of my head. You need to be more thoughtful of whatever you put in there, right? But it'll work. It'll work for now. So make sure you resave the file as CSV comma delimited, because it saves it like tab delimited by default, and it's going to be a problem down the road. So let's see, comma delimited. Okay, save. Okay, so let's close it and reopen just to make sure that everything looks okay. Yeah, it does. Okay, don't save. So let me know if I need to like make a pause and wait for everyone to catch up. Okay, so what I will do is create a data frame. Let's say cover letters, or yeah, cover letters. PD read CSV, and I'll copy and paste this file name over here and see what's going on there. So we have a data frame with all the positions you filled in. And what we'll do now is we will create a list of dictionaries, and each dictionary will contain these fields for every position. So what we'll need to do is initiate the list. So dict list. And then I loop through this data frame line by line. So for row in, I will use the shape method. So it'll be cover letters. Oh, in range. So we need to, the number of rows, range cover letters dot shape. And I'll take the first element that returns the number of rows in the data frame. And then I will, each row, I will create a new dictionary. I'll just like reinitiate it. That'll collect all the data from the row. So jobs dict. And then I'll iterate through the columns in each row. So for call in cover letters dot columns, which will give us the list of columns in this data frame. And I will create a fresh instance of document mail merge over here. So I'll go document mail merge template. Then I go document dot merge. And then I'll fill out all the variables I'm using. So I will create this, get this company name. So these are the variables you created for each field. Just want to remind you. So these have to be like over here. Oh, yeah, I can actually copy them over. Only instead of this text, you will type in the dictionary assignment. So jobs dict. Then okay, loc. So this loc is needed to access the element in the specified row and column. So you say row and call. No, that's not right. So company name will be. Oh, I'm sorry. I went the wrong way, guys. I'm so nervous. I went the wrong way. So yeah, I skipped the step. So for column and cover letters columns, I will say that jobs dict call equals to. So the jobs dictionary with the field company name will be cover letters, the data frame, cover letters, loc. Then you will specify the row and the column. There we go. Then you will assign, like you will append this dictionary to the list. So dict list and jobs dict. So this should work. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so we have a list that contains a dictionary for every position in the data frame in the file that you filled out. So Facebook data engineer, I'm very talented. Spotify data scientist, Twitter data engineer. Okay, and then we will need to loop through this list and create an instance of this mail merge, fill it in, and write the file. So that's pretty simple. So for job in dict list, it should be named jobs list for more clarity, but let's leave it like that. So I will say document mail merge template. Then I'll copy this over. Oh, wrong indentation. What? Oh, sorry. There we go. This should be okay. And then so like job is each dictionary we access in this list. So it'll be job company name. Then we'll assign job position name. So this position name is the field in this dictionary over here. Yep, just to make sure. So we have like similar names everywhere, and we need to know what is what, right? So and company comment, I will replace it with oops. Position name, I will replace with company comment. So this will, just to make it pretty, document merge, and then we write a file. But we want each file name to be unique, right? And it'll show which company you're applying for. And you probably want to, when you send the cover letters, it should have your name and the file name, so that like it doesn't get lost or the recruiter knows exactly who's sending the cover letter, right? So we will use that embedding text in the file name, and let's say it's gonna say Jane Doe cover letter, and we will need to fill in the company name, but this thing will not work. It'll occur like if you just copy over this thing, it'll not work. So you will need to assign it to a variable before before the merge. So let's say company name equals to this job company name. Then you can replace it so you don't evaluate this twice. So company name, you get it from the dictionary right away, and then you pass it over here. Does anyone have any questions or problems? Let me know, guys. We'll do document close. So when we run the cell, it should create. Oh, I forgot the docx. Okay. Lesson learned. So docx. Run the cell and see how all these files are beautifully created in the folder. So Jane Doe cover letter, let's say Facebook, May 19th, data engineer, Facebook. I'm very talented, please hire me. Spotify, data scientist, Spotify. I love Spotify. I'd like to work here. Twitter, data engineer, Twitter, want to work in Twitter. It worked. So we only left to convert these files in a PDF, and we will use this convert function from this package, docx to PDF. So convert, And you can either specify the name of the file separately, or you can just use the folder. So I can just pass the folder name, or let's say, will it work? Convert. Yeah, it works. So this dot and slash, they refer to the folder you're currently in. So it'll create a beautiful PDFs for you in one go. Make sure to remove all the highlights. I just left them in so we can see better. But everything seems to have worked. And one more thing, so you want to keep your folder nice and tidy. And what I do is I create a folder with the current date. For each day, I'm creating the cover letters. And yeah, it's very convenient. So what we want to do is use the date, like current date. So I keep forgetting how you do it. So today, I have a cheat sheet over here, so it helps me out. Today, okay, date today. That's the method. So it helps you get the date, but it'll be like in this format. It's a tuple, and you want to convert it into a string with the delimiters and stuff. So you can use this method called strf time. So strf time. And in the quotes, you can specify the format of the date that you want it to be. So I'll do %y hyphen %m hyphen %d. So I'll just do it right away. So today, and then you just need to do OS. It's a built-in package for Python that helps you manipulate the folders, create files, delete files, read what files are in the folder, and a lot of fun stuff. So os.mkdir, and then you specify, you pass the today, it'll be the folder name. So it'll create in the current folder, it'll create a subfolder with the today's date. Let's see. There we go. Only it's empty. So what we want to do is just we have it, we ran the cell already. So I'll just put it over here on top. So you will just add today over here in the text. So this can be not only just a file name that's in the current folder with the Jupyter dictionary, Jupyter notebook, right? So you can just do the embedding, and embed one more variable over here, and it'll be today, right? So we got the today, it'll be our folder name. So we refer to the folder we're currently in, then we refer to the folder we've just created, and I'll put the files over here. Let's run and see how it goes. Should populate this folder with the letters we have. They should be okay. And then you do the same with the convert. So convert, you can add the F over here and just embed today over here, and it should pick up the files on this current folder and convert all your files to beautiful PDFs. Well, so that's pretty much all we need is to clean up a little bit. So we don't need this, we don't need this, just I like doing this dir and peeping into what methods are available for the class. It's what I learned in Data Science Academy, New York Data Science Academy. Is a very cool thing. So document, we already did that. And yeah, so we'll read the cover letters. We create the dictionary list. We can just create a new folder over here. I'll just put it. So everything should be one by one. Then create the files and converting them. So that's it, folks. Let me know if you have any questions or problems. We'll troubleshoot. Oh, also I wanted to give out like a couple of tips on job applications. So when you apply for like 10 positions a day, like you open all these links, and they're pretty similar between each other. Like you only need to fill out like your name, surname, your phone, your websites and everything. It's really cool to use some like additional tool that helps you like automatically fill out all the applications, right? Like sometimes it picks it up, sometimes not. So I'm using this RoboForm. It has, oh, okay, I need to. Okay, so it has like all my logins and passwords, and I also like have my information over here. Credit card. So NYDSA blog, Medium blog, LinkedIn profile, GitHub. So like they're always handy if you need to like copy and paste some pages. Like it picks up and it sees that like which link to paste in where. But sometimes it's just like handy to go here and copy it, and paste it over. So I wanted to show you. So like this is my job list, and I apply like to about 10 every day. And yeah, I highlighted one of the positions to show you. So let's see. Attach resume, right? But here RoboForm says though, like it gives you a hint, so I can fill these fields out, right? So and you can do LinkedIn, Twitter. I don't have a Twitter, so GitHub should go here. Portfolio, say, and why do you say blog? And it saves a lot of time as well. So you need to like use all tools available to save your valuable time and keep it for preparing to your interviews. So that's that. I think I'm done for today. Let me know if you have questions.
Hey Jane, I have a question.
Hey Juan, good to see you
Hey.
here.
So my question is, okay, so today we apply to Facebook, Spotify, and Twitter. What if
Yeah,
tomorrow we apply to like, I don't know, other jobs?
yeah.
Is Do we update the CSV?
Yeah, so what I do is
Um,
I just go here to cover letter fields,
okay,
remove everything from here and just recreate it. And
okay,
yeah, and I also so this file I rearranged the columns. I used the template that the Data Science Academy gave us. So I rearranged the columns so I can just like copy and paste these positions and like so LinkedIn I use that as a field as well, like just the source like where the position was advertised. So just copy and paste these folks, and I just like write whatever company comment I want in front like in front of each position. So that's how I do it.
okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure. Any more questions? I like questions.
Also, you use RoboForm, right?
Yeah, RoboForm.
Okay,
It's like I think they have a free version, but I'm paying, and it's not too expensive. So it's super handy when it comes to like keeping all accounts. And sometimes you have to register for like to apply for a position, which is really annoying. I don't know why I need an account in like each website I'm applying for. So yeah, that's that. Super handy. And then you can like you can change and generate new passwords here, like safe passwords. um, it's super handy tool. I love it. And you can share it between the accounts. So if you want to like send your friend your account to DoorDash, like you can just send it over and he'll sync and get it right away, he or
awesome.
she. Yeah,
That's
it's
cool.
really cool. I can do a webinar in RoboForm if, if you guys want.
Thank you,
Okay,
Jane.
Okay,
sure.
Eugene, I'm gonna take over as host, okay?
Sure, yeah.
Can
Do
you,
I need to do anything?
yeah, would you mind giving me the host?
Oh, I thought I thought I gave you the host
Oh,
earlier.
yes, I gave you my colleague. Okay, Jean, would you mind reassign back to me?
Yeah, sure. Give me a second.
Hi guys, please leave your email to us. We would like to send a follow-up email to you, including
Oh gosh.
the document link. Also, we want to send a survey, like see how you're following along, or the other new topic you want to know. Okay.
I think I don't have this. Like I'll stop sharing screen. Um, and I'll try to give you the host.
Yeah.
It didn't have that option 1 second ago.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
So Eugene just mentioned our bootcamp. If you go to our website, this is nycdatascience.com. We have 2 bootcamp offering. Eugene take the first one, the remote live instruction. I have good news. We are reopening our campus on July 1st. So the next cohort, we're gonna offer it in a mix of 1 classroom in person, 1 classroom of remote. So if you're interested, please apply. We have early bird discount ends at June 18. It's 10%. After that, it will be back to the normal price. Yeah, Courtney is here to join me today. She's our admission, she's our career service advisor. So any career development question, you can message her, get her email, try to talk to her more. If you're a working professional, you can not committed to the program on a full-time basis, the best option for you is Data Science Bootcamp Online. So it allows you to take the program for over 4 months or 6 months period of time. So that's very flexible for working professional. We expect you to work 20 hours to 30 hours per week if you are gonna do this while you're working. So yeah, if you are alumni, you can utilize our referral link. It's called DataPal. You can refer your friends, your family to receive referral credit. A lot of students use the credit towards donation to nonprofit. Some of them use it for their family member to take the program. Like we have siblings join, we have couples join, we have parents, kids join the program. So this is really helping them make it easier financially. And yeah, that's it. Any other question about our offering? If you're interested in trying some courses, we have a welcome program. So I'm gonna type it out here. The welcome program gives you an opportunity to test out our courses. If you're interested, you can reply Martina's email afterward, and she will make access to you for the welcome program. So you get to see our class video, get to see our learning management system. Then you have a good feel how it works for you. So we offer a lot of events around supporting our alumni keep growing. Like today we have our alumni present their fantastic work they made in the bootcamp. I hope it's going to be useful for all of you, and welcome to join the community and learn with us. Thank you so much. I'm going to ask everyone to unmute yourself to give a round of applause to our host today for her excellent presentation and work.
Woo, woo.
I just want to thank everyone for being here. It was awesome. It's an amazing experience. And like New York Data Science Academy is the best thing that happened to me. So like if you're considering, it's a great place to start in your career. So, yep.
My God. I have a request from the audience to ask you to share your screen one more time. Would you mind? I think we have.
Sure. Yep. You want to peep at my job list?
Yep.
Okay. What do you guys want to see?
Okay, so we have Sam AU asking a question to share the screen again. Sam, would you like to speak up? What's your question? Sam. Okay, I'm not sure if Sam's microphone is working, but
I'm waiting for a message in the chat though.
yeah, okay.
Let's see.
Hi, thank you, Gina. I had a bit of a problem closing out the last column from the Jupyter notebook, but I think I'm done with it. Thank you so much. Awesome.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm glad you figured it out.
Great. Send the document, the study note made by Martina, the video, and a quick survey to you guys. If you love the session, please let us know, and we're gonna pass on your review to our excellent speaker today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Awesome. Stay tuned for our future events. Glad to have you guys here today.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Dạ, wow.